everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is my graduation day. Yay! I feel so happy right now. Like I have literally dreamt of this day since first year. So it's finally the day, and we have arrived at the location all dressed up. So everyone is doing the photo shoots and everything. And very soon the event is going to begin. So stay tuned and keep watching the video till the end.
So cute. So cute.
Hello. So we are finally sitting and we are all graduates. So we'll receive our degrees.
Have been pivotal in guiding us through our academic journey, especially during these challenging times. Our teaching staff deserves a special mention. I cannot even begin to thank all of them.
Lakshmita Purushottam. Congratulations. Hippocratic oath.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Lakshita and I will be initiating the oath taking today. So I request all the graduates to please stand up and raise your arms. Okay, so now we shall begin the oath taking. As a member of the medical profession, I solemnly pledge to dedicate my life to the service of humanity. The health and well-being of my patient will be my first consideration. I will respect the autonomy and dignity of my patient. I will maintain the utmost respect for human life. I will not permit considerations of age, disease or disability, creed, ethnic origin, gender, nationality, political affiliation, race, sexual orientation, social standing, or any other factor to intervene between my duty and my patient. I will respect the secrets that are confided in me even after the patient has died. I will practice my profession with conscious dignity and in accordance with good medical practice. I will foster the honor and noble traditions of the medical profession. I will give to my teachers, colleagues, and students the respect and gratitude that is their due. I will share my medical knowledge for the benefit of the patient and the advancement of healthcare. I will attend to my own health, well-being, and abilities in order to provide care my medical knowledge to violate human rights and civil liberties even under threat. I make these promises solemnly, freely, and upon my honor. Thank you very much.
On behalf of whole KMU 2024 batch. Thank you so much.
And with that, the graduation ceremony comes to an end. So signing off as Dr. Lakshita Purushottam. Yay!